Go.
Rip the
Yeah.
Rip the bows off first, baby.
Tilt the lighter. Tilt it like.
I can't
Yeah.
open. Oh, I made this sticky.
Carol, nobody wants your commentary.
What is it, Lovin'?
It's a new toy.
It's called a.
Drawing toy.
It's a.
Let us see. Show the camera or
And
show
help her
us.
with the gift wrapping, please. I'm doing
Hey,
live.
what the?
I already did.
What are you doing?
Turn around, show Bishi. Are you videotaping my lighting?
Let's see. What is it?
Alright.
That's awesome. Do you love it?
Mhm.
You like it?
True.
Okay, next one. Next one.
Give me that.
Give it to Mama.
Help her with the gift stuff. I'm doing the lighting.
Hand her the next one, Drew.
Hey, next one's right there.
Drew.
Make it like a mouse.
She's strong enough. She's
Okay, get that next one, Tiki.
Which one?
The little round one. Yes.
No, not that one.
Yes,
The
that
one
one.
next to it.
No, that
That's
one.
it. No.
Andrew, stop.
Where's the?
Why are you messing with her
What is
phone?
that one?
Just open it.
Oh yeah.
It's like a Tootsie Roll.
That's why I wrapped it like a candy.
I don't know. We're just gonna pick 3.
Nah.
I know, that's what I just pointed
Wow,
at.
wow, 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 wow,
Wow, wow, wubsy.
Well, what is it?
It's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
Yeah, show Bishi in the camera.
I always wanted a Play-Doh.
It's the squishy stuff that you make shapes with.
Stuff with.
Come here,
Okay.
hold it up.
Turn it around.
This is a bag.
Whoa.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, next one.
Yeah,
Okay, get the
You're gonna open
blue one.
Yeah, you're gonna open one more of Mommy's gifts.
Get the
baby.
blue one. Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. Was I dreaming, or did you all come out screaming and shit?
Actually, give her the big, that one right there.
No, that was me.
The big one?
No, not the square one.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay, Marissa, put that one back. You're gonna open this one right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no. That one.
The other big one.
That's yours.
Yeah, that's yours, love.
Go back. Go back.
So I'm gonna have to laugh at the video.
What do you think it is, Marissa?
And do you know what it is?
No, you have to open it first so you can know.
You know what it is?
Alright, get the bulb out.
How are you like?
I don't know what it is, but I'm so excited.
Oh my God. No, it's okay. It's okay. I almost had a moment there.
Yeah,
Courtesy of brother. Is that for you?
A new skateboard toy.
Oh my God.
Own skateboard.
Hey, that's mine.
Tiki.
What do you think?
Marissa, that's mine.
Huh? What do you think?
Cool.
You like it?
Huh?
Show Bishi the back. Yeah, let's see the